All right, so we have a few approvals in now, a few loans actually almost clear for docs outside of waiting for appraisals on this new jumbo program. So you guys really need to take a look. Realtors, homebuyers, investors, we're changing the game here at Fresh Home Loans, so you need to pay attention. First of all, some housekeeping notes. Just wanted to let you know, I looked at a big mortgage website. I've been noticing recently with the rate increases, our rates are really low in broker world. This is a snapshot of a major website that just kind of, it's not a direct quote from any bank, but it's just the national average. And I've been quoting everything in the twos, both jumbo and conventional, while they're showing these rates. So definitely good to be a broker, good to work with a broker. Call Fresh Home Loan. That being said, too, you can always fill out, our rate quote for purchase and refinance at freshhomeloan.com. Now, realtors and homebuyers, investors, exciting news. You may want to rethink your strategy and come talk to me before you write your next offer, because I'm going to make your escrow a lot easier with this new program. You know, jumbo loans historically are very cumbersome, very slow, extra reserves required, surprise things can kill a deal. So we have this new matrix. Check it out for our new program. Check it out. And so check it out. So owner-occupied primary residence, we can go just 10% down, 10.01 if you wanted to be exact, to 89.99% loan-to-value, 85% loan-to-value on 2-unit buildings. That's just 10% down if you're moving in. So phenomenal opportunity. Second home. 89.99%. You can just put 10.01% down on that place in Lake Tahoe you've been checking out. So no 2 units on second homes. That doesn't make any sense, obviously. Investment properties, 80% for 1 unit, 75% for 2 units. Again, phenomenal. Never have I really seen that with investment properties unless the rates are just super jacked up. These rates are actually lower than conventional financing in most cases. So give us a call. Check us out, freshhomeloan.com as well. It is definitely time to rethink your strategy on the jumbo financing. So subscribe, like, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I appreciate you watching.